up. We're going to go ahead and we're in service mode. Now, since you have a variable speed pump, it takes a second for the pump to come back on. So we're going to wait a second. While we're waiting for that to come on, this is your antenna that goes to your controller that communicates with the internet. This is the ozonator. The suction of the pump pulls the air across the lights, which turns it into ozone, which is O3, and then it goes into the pump to where it's entered into the filter. The ozone shocks your pool constantly, but there's no residual with ozone or UV. So that's why we still need to use a little bit of chlorine for any bugs or anything that falls into the pool. Now that sound means our pump is filling, our filter is filling up with water. You don't have to let it drain. It'll just burp it back to the pool, but we'll go ahead and let it run until water starts spraying out. There we go. Now we just simply close it. Now that we have everything back together, once our variable speed pump gains full prime, then we'll adjust our clean and dirty to where it needs to be. Each pool is different, so there's no set pressure. How far is the equipment away from the pool, how many nights, things like that. So when the filters are clean, we'll set this adjustable dial where the pressure gauge is on clean, and then I don't want you to clean it until that needle gets to dirty. Reason being, we put a large jumbo filter on this, and it should only be once or twice a year, and you'll have to clean it depending on use. So not uncommon. Alright. You see this valve right here. We use this for pressure testing equipment. There's nothing that you really need to do unless you want to wash off your hands once you add chlorine to the chlorinator. Okay. Over here, since you do have a pool and spa setup, on the wall is your air blower. Now with the automated controls, the iAqualink, this will only let this run for 30 minutes before it shuts off. It's nothing but a fancy air dryer. So it will overheat. So that's why it's on a delay program. You shut it off and you turn it on as it is. Once you start heating up your spa, I would not turn on the air blower until it gets the temperature and you're ready to get in. Otherwise, we're just blowing cold air in it and it's going to shut off by the time you get in. Okay? We have any questions about this?
Vaguely familiar.
I know.
I've heard it before.
This is the same thing, has a hair length strainer. This will not collect a lot of debris, but it's always good to put an eyeball on it when you come out.
So you can kind of see.
And it has a clear glass, you gotta see.
That's right.
All right.